Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. This is Christine at the Crafters Outpost. So today I'm going to be working on birthday card journals. I had made these birthday cards a while back and I hadn't finished them. So I pulled them out and I thought, maybe I should take them and make them into a small junk, or not junk journal, but a journal. So anyway, I just went ahead and I added 2 pieces of paper. That was 11 and 8.5 paper folded in half. And so I had to cut it down to make it fit. It was just a little bit. I had to trim it off. And so yeah, it was just folded in half, just regular copy paper, that you use in your printer. Or you can use colored paper. You can use any paper you want. So then I got this twine, and I really like the black and white. I also have this in red and yellow and different colors. Although this one was a little thicker, so I had a hard time trying to put my beads through. I need to find one of those bead threaders one of these days. So anyway, I just wrapped the twine up the top there, and then I just left, a couple of long pieces, so then I can end up putting some beads on it. And you can really use just about anything for this project. String, wax, uh, string, wax, thread, whatever you call it. So there's really a lot of options that you can use to make a little binder for it's only 2 pages, so it's really not that thick, and it doesn't take a whole lot to just tie it down. And so then I did want to state from the beginning, which I did not. I had made these cards quite a while back, and excuse me, I handmade the flowers, the pinwheels, and there's tons of videos out there that you can watch to learn how to make them. They're really cute. And then I drew the stem and the little flowers, and I think I used words, the kind that you get at the Dollar Tree, and put happy birthday on the front. Now, I had decorated the back of this, a while ago, so it was pretty much finished, and I thought, well, I just go ahead and add a couple pieces of paper and, bind it with just tying it around. And so now I'm just kind of adding some beads. And this is just very simple. You just put a bead on and then you tie a knot a couple times to keep the bead from falling through. And so I thought they all turned out really cute with the idea of just not doing a full-blown journal, but just enough that, somebody could write in for their birthday, maybe what they did that day for their birthday, and then just put it in their other journal. But anyway, so you see I'm just trying to tie the knots and get the beads on. I guess I could speed up the video so I'm not talking through the whole thing. I don't like long videos. If you guys know me at all, I like to keep them short and sweet. But it looks like I got them finished. Okay, so these were heart beads that I had. They were white, shaped as a heart. And so they just dangled there, really cute. And I like the black and white. So I just had some ideas for this. Now I've got to put something in the front. The back is already finished. So I went to my computer and I printed some things out, birthday sayings, and then I decided to also print out some junk journal, or junk journal. I got junk on my mind, people. Journal on some little cards so then I can finish. As you can see here, I had made the little cards off of my computer and printed them out. And then so I'm going to go ahead and add that to the front and just use my tape runner to tack it down. And then I had ended up finding some really old stuff in my stash that was page corners, these little guys. And I wanted to decorate it up a little bit without doing any more drawing or coloring in it. So I just added these little page corners to it, and it really gave it some glamour, I think. So you can see me as I am trying to put those on. And again, I can fast forward the video. I don't want to bore everybody to death. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So I will try to stop when I get to something that I feel that's important. If you don't mind, keep watching. So now guys, I went over to my computer and I created these little tags that says journal on them. And so then I cut one out and I'm just going to ink around the edges. The white's just way too white, so I just wanted to tone it down a little bit. So I'm going to use my black ink pad and just give it a little bit of contrast. And this is what I'm going to put on the front of the journal. So it will say, "Happy Birthday, Journal." So I'm going to be taking these to my craft fair that's coming up. And I made about, I think, 12 in all. But I'm only turning maybe 5 or 6 into birthday journals. So I will try to add a few on here at the end of the video that I've already finished if you want to take a look at till the end. Okay guys, I think I'm just gonna speed it up again.